A cloud of chlorsulfonic acid mushroomed over Curtis Bay last Monday after a spill at a manufacturing plant, prompting a shelter-in-place order for several zip codes. The spill happened just before 11, but the wireless emergency alert didn't go out until after 12:30.
There's layers of vetting that happen at the local, state, and federal level to make sure that we don't have inaccurate information go out, that we don't have false alerts go out.
David McMillan is the acting director of Baltimore's Office of Emergency Management. His department sends out that wireless alert, an order that comes from the incident commander on the scene. He says a reverse 911 call went out to all the landlines in the affected area at 11:08. OEM tweeted the shelter-in-place order within 10 minutes. But he says the wireless alert takes more time. It has to go through several levels of approval at the state and local level before it's finally sent out by the federal government.
And it's a very serious decision to trigger that system, and one thing we don't want to cause is something called message fatigue, where basically you start to use your emergency alert systems too often and citizens will tune them out.
The wireless alert went out to people in Baltimore City and Anne Arundel County because they can't be as geographically specific as a reverse 911 call. McMillan says his department is reviewing this incident at the local and state levels to see what can be done better, and they hope a new tool will help.
We, in the last year as a city, procured an emergency alert tool called Code Red by ECN, and it's something that we're continuing to roll out. And as we get it completely put in place, we hope to have the ability to more directly trigger that wireless emergency alert ourselves.
The Office of Emergency Management is hoping to have the Code Red alert system up and running in 6 months to a year. In Baltimore, Kim Day, CWBAL TV 11 News.